Today,
Shit. Bullshit. Okay.
So, July 14th to
21st.
that was the 13th. Huh. Okay. Sometime. Oh, okay. Hold on. I'm starting to again. Sulfur wipes, and then I'll get into the thing. Right. Alright. So.
Alright, so we also use the multi-surface cleaner. Wait, I'm hot. I need an air conditioning
break. Let's get this part done. I was moving.
Okay.
Last time.
That was a good take the last time.
You're gonna get 8 what?
Whole ounce.
Well, I had it right the first time.
A gallon. Hold on.
Why are we doing it again then?
Okay, it just sounded something wasn't right. I thought you were not recording anymore.
You're gonna talk about not wasting money.
AC break.
You can't film with the air conditioner on. Air conditioner makes too much noise, so we have to sit here and sweat 100 degrees. I'm not wet yet.
I want to see your armpits.
Ready? Now before we...
We're not gonna
talk about that shit today.
We're
okay.
with that.
I'll screw that one up. Alright, let's try it again. Cut. Alright.
Hey guys, welcome back to Why Wait. I'm Megan.
And I'm Chris. And today we are talking about Gabe's Pride RV cleaning products, and that's because, well, they're running a summertime savings promotion this week only, depending on when you're watching, of course. That's going to be July 14th through the 21st of 2024. And they are offering 15% off on all of their products. This is something they haven't done in the past. Now, you may have seen some of our previous videos, probably the RV Streaker video, where we talk about their outdoor cleaning products. And maybe you've been on the fence about possibly buying their products or trying them out. Well, if you've been on the fence about it, not too sure, now is the time to go ahead and check them out with this great savings that they're offering.
Now, I know we have a lot of new subscribers, so maybe some of you have not seen some of the older videos that we've done in the past, talking about the RV Streaker, like Chris was just mentioning. Today, we're going to actually go over some of the other products that Gabe's Pride has that you may not know about.
That's right. You may not know this, but they actually have tons of interior RV cleaning products. And when we say RV, it's not just for RV. We are an RV channel, and that's kind of like their main focus, but you can also use these in any household environment as well. And now guys, make sure you stay tuned until the end of the video so you guys can get that promo code when you go to checkout to save 15%. Now, we've been using their products for what? Just about over
3 years.
Yeah, over 3 years now. And that includes all of their interior products and their exterior products. So let's go ahead and jump into some of the ones that you may not know about, starting with their multi-surface cleaner, which we love.
Yes, this stuff is amazing.
We use it on everything, and it comes in a concentrate bottle, which is really nice. All it takes is 1 ounce of this, poured into this bottle, filled up with water, and this little guy right here is going to make 8 of those, which in turn gives you a whole gallon of concentrate liquid. And I think it's listed around $35 on their website. I'm not positive about that, so that's a pretty good bargain. And this stuff is eco-responsible. The fragrance is nice.
Yeah, it's really, the fragrance is fantastic because I have a problem with strong fragrances, and this it's not a problem at all.
Where do we use it?
Everywhere.
Everywhere, guys. We use this on our stove. We use it on
the floors, on the counters,
refrigerator.
Yeah, we wipe down this front of the refrigerator, stove. I mean, you can, anything that needs cleaning.
One time we got a black light out, and we even started inspecting the RV with the black light, which I don't recommend doing unless you want to be a little bit scared, especially if you have dogs.
Yeah, if you have pets,
you're gonna start seeing all of their spit, slobber, snot. Forget using the black light around the toilet, okay? But just trust me, it was a good test. So we got the black light out. We saw everything. We started cleaning it with the Gabe's Pride multi-surface cleaner, and you know the difference was night and day. So if you want to have a little bit of fun, you got a black light. Go ahead around the RV and check that out.
Have fun, get grossed out, whatever, whatever floats your boat.
Yeah, but like we said, we use this stuff on the toaster oven. As you can see right here on some of this footage, it totally just knocks out all the grease on that. We've used it on the stove. It got the stove looking great, and it's just kind of our daily go-to.
I mean, yeah,
totally.
So we also use the multi-surface cleaner for our floors. You can save money by not buying those Swiffer pads and all that stuff that goes with that.
Yeah, it's nice. They actually have a really heavy duty pole, which is multi-purpose. You can use it outside for cleaning. We also use it inside on the floors. And they have these really nice microfiber pads that stick right to the top of the head of the mop here. And you can just go ahead and spray the multi-surface cleaner right on the floor and scrub it down with these microfiber pads. It's the same pad I use on the roof of the RV, so it's multi-purpose. You clean it, you wash it, you reuse it, you save money. And if you don't have the cleaning pole, you could just take a Swiffer pole and put a microfiber rag on there and do the same thing and clean the floor that way. Now, before we get into the bathroom cleaner, I do want to talk about the RV streaker cleaner for outside of the RV, in case you saw some footage and you're curious about that. Today's video is not going to really be about that because we recently just did a whole video on that. So if you guys are interested in RV streaker for the outside and the black streaks and cleaning the whole RV, we will have links up here to that video, as well as we have a whole playlist, a whole Gabe's Pride playlist you can check out. And all of this will be in the video description. I think we have over 20 videos where we go through different Gabe's Pride products, from the window cleaner, the cream cleanser, the RV streaker, the concentrate, and all kind of things you can go check out on that. So with that said, let's get into the bathroom cleaner.
This stuff is fantastic, and a little bit goes a long, long way. Doesn't have any really harsh scents or anything like that. There's no harmful chemicals, which makes it, you know, much safer for your kids and pets. They are, again, I think we've already mentioned that they are environmentally responsible.
All of the products.
All of them, yeah. So that makes me feel a whole lot better.
Yeah, and something we used to love using this on was our glass shower doors. Many of you probably have the big glass shower doors in your RV bathrooms. We used to. We don't anymore. We've since switched over to a Nautilus retractable shower door, which we absolutely love.
Yeah.
But if you guys still have the glass shower doors, I know the film can build up on those. It's hard to clean, and then you have the shower tracks. Well, this stuff is one of the few products we found that does not leave behind that soapy foam scum over time. It's kind of like after you use it, it almost prevents like a barrier that kind of makes it seem like it just doesn't...
Stays clean longer.
Yeah, it stays clean longer, which is kind of nice.
Yep.
And if you do have the nasty shower track, which we all hate, they have an awesome cleaning tool. It's a very heavy duty brush, which fits in those shower tracks great and really scrubs down those things just by using some of the same chemicals or the bathroom cleaner. So,
yeah.
And if you haven't seen that video where we replaced the shower door, go ahead and check that one out too, because you may be interested in that. We got a lot of feedback on that, and everyone who's made that switch really loves the retractable shower doors. Yeah. And you're going to save a lot of weight in your camper, but like 60 pounds taking those things out.
All right, so I think we've made you wait long enough.
Except for those of you who probably just cheated and fast forwarded to the end of the video, but for everybody else.
Gabe's Pride is having an awesome summer savings deal. The dates are running from July 14th to the 21st, and the code is summer24.
That's right, guys, and down below in the video description, we're going to have links to Gabe's Pride's website, the promo code. We'll have links to our Gabe's Pride playlist, where you have access to about 20 videos where we talk about all the products, some of which we didn't even mention today. You can check out the RV streaker, the cream cleanser, their window cleaner, all that good stuff, all down in the video description down below. Again, that code is summer24 for the next week. Don't wait. If you've been on the fence, if you've been trying to decide about the products or not, now's your chance. Save 15%. As always, guys, appreciate you stopping by. And don't forget, get out there, start your full-time RV adventure, because
why wait?
Why wait? We'll see you guys next time.